A big curly wig like this, not only do I get the card, but that man can't keep his hands off me. Hey.
Cause I heard it's so you got it going on.
Tell me if you want me to give you all my time.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Yeah. Go ahead and get it. Today's video is brought to you by Klaiyi hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. It is also something so your girl got her Wawas today because listen, is it getting hot in here? No, that's just me. I didn't burn myself out because look at me. So before I get into the WD2F of this week, stay tuned. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Klaiyi hair. All the specs for my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check it out, you can. Let me just say right now, I'm excited about this one because I have not tried a curly wig from Klaiyi in a minute. And y'all know how I do with Klaiyi curly wigs. Let's talk about it. Y'all have seen all my curly looks from Klaiyi and they all hit. So I'm hoping that this one also gives me all the good looks. I will be doing my WD2F on this wig. Wash, define, diffuse, and fluff. You will want to wash this wig. Wash and condition with a conditioning shampoo and conditioner. For my wash, I did start with my dish soap just to get the hair cleansed and stripped and get all that product off of there as well as help with the smell. And then I went in with my shampoo and my conditioner. I did use my Aussie moist shampoo and conditioner and y'all, the hair is just, oof, so soft. Okay, so that was the wash. So next up we have define, but before I do that, I need to prep my wig to put on my head because y'all know that lace is ashy. I gotta make sure it's, you know, tinted to me. So I'm using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate to tint around the edge of my lace. Even though it's a 7x5, I'm not gonna use this all over the lace because I'm gonna stick to the middle part today. I feel like I haven't done a curly middle part in a while. Get it together. Ooh, she smells good. Okay, flip that back. Where we at? My glasses are foggy. Hold up. I feel like I'm in a sandstorm. Let me let me wipe these off real quick. Goodness gracious. I gotta see how good I'm about to look. Child. This unit does have the cutout ear tabs and I think these are bendable. Yes, the bendable sides to kind of hold the wig down or press the wig down to the side of your head. My sides will be down, so I'm not too worried about how that's looking over there anyway. Please don't tell me how the wig don't fit your head. It's a closure. It's a closure. That's giving me vibes of, it's a solo. It's a solo. I was just watching that play the other day. Now I'm going to define my hairline. I'm going to take my Nairobi mousse, put it on my hairline. There are some baby hairs back there, so I can switch those. Swish and swirl. So I'm going to take the hair, I'm just going to tease it up like that. Tease it down like that. This is what I like to do for my curly wigs. Gives me a more natural look around the edge. Okay, just swirl it around. It's not really baby hairs on here. It's just like longer pieces in the front. So I'm gonna cut some of these a little shorter just to help with the swirlies. I'm not gonna pluck any hairs out. Swirl it, swirl it, swirl it. They did send me a band. Let me use that. Klaiyi. Now I'm going to define the curls. This is a 20-inch. Y'all know my sweet spot for curly wigs is more like an 18. It's coming down right here. I want mine to hit about here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna cut it, stretch it down. Think we're good. Got some scragglies. Let's get those off. I want a little bit more layer here in the front, like that. Let me get a little bit. I'm gonna bring this to the front. I'm just gonna cut this section right here, straight across. I need a little layer on top there, not too much. I'm gonna use my Sheamoisture frizz-free curl mousse to define the hair. Put it all over. Now we're defining the curls. If you want your wigs to look like mine, you gotta start with this process. Don't try to skip a step. Work that in, work that in. Use my detangler brush, make sure all the snags and shedding is out. I didn't get a lot of shedding during the washing process either, so that was good. This is their curly wig with twisted ends. So you can wear it how it was out the pack, but y'all saw that only some of the ends were curly. If you just wanna touch some of those up, you can definitely do that. Make sure I get my root, go to the root, twist it up. I need some lift up there. Mousse all over. Mousse all over. Make sure I get my ends. The ends are important for this style. One side always comes out better than the other. I'm hoping I can get it pretty uniform today. You will still get some shedding during this process, so don't be alarmed. I'm getting it too. Comb that out like that. Y'all, ooh, look at how pretty. How pretty. Just make sure you clump in the ends. Piece of the hair like this. And you're just gonna wrap it around your finger. Hold it, pinch it, whatever. Let it loose. Okay, make sure you get the roots as well. Take my clip. Ooh, this is giving me all warm and fuzzy inside. Lift that front up. Now for step 3, we're gonna diffuse the hair. This is my diffuser, okay? It's been through some things, all right? So I got a new one, just the diffuser. This is a little bit wider, a little bit more coverage. And this has a universal attachment. Click the sides like this, open it, put the blow dryer in there, close it up. That's it. So first I'm gonna diffuse it on high and cool, and then I'll go in at the end for about 5 minutes and diffuse it on warm and high. Hair is pretty dry. It's still a little damp in certain areas, but that's okay, because during the fluffing process, we're gonna get that, you know, get the rest of that together. Let me put on some Vaseline real quick, because my lips are ashy, man. Goodness gracious, crack is whack. We did the wash, define, diffuse. Now we're at fluffing. Okay, I can't do this. Okay, now we're at fluffing. I normally use my little cute pick right here. Y'all know my green one, okay? But they sent me this pick right here with 2 rows of combs. Like, they're kind of staggered compared to my normal. You're gonna start at the root, okay? Down. I don't want to disturb my ends, so I'm only fluffing at the root. Start at the root, under, pick out, and then at the root over, out, and then if you want extra teasing near the root, down like that. If your hair is still damp, it will not fluff out, you know, a lot until you dry the rest of it down. Don't worry, the hair will get bigger as it dries down. Please understand that when you're picking the hair and you're teasing the hair up, you will create tangles and knots in your unit. This unit did not tangle a lot when I went through to brush it. It had some snags in it, but it wasn't hard to brush through the hair. So that's always good, especially for a curly unit. I did that when it was wet, not when it's dry. When it's dry, you may get a little bit more pull and friction, which will cause a little bit more shedding. Ooh, that's pretty. For that side, you saw that I went in like this, lifted it up, and then picked it. Let me try that over here, because that gave me a little bit more fullness. Still with the fluffing stage, take my blow dryer, take the diffuser off, and then I'm gonna blow dry the hair on cool first, just to get the rest of the dampness out, and then you're gonna blow dry it on hot and high for about a minute, just to kind of add a little bit more fullness to the hair. The fluffing stage is continuous, because you will want to fluff it more once you take your band off, you know, to get the look that you want at the end. So. Okay, let's unwrap it. Ooh, she's been on here for about an hour. Please don't be ugly, please don't be ugly. I feel like she's sliding back a little bit. I don't want to move it too much. Let me see. Big head, gang, gang, I like it. Using my foundation brush, just blend that line in. Okay, I'm not gonna really do much with the hairline. I'm gonna leave it how it is, but I do want to fluff up the hair a little bit more. Let me go back like this. Let me go back in the time. Any little thing turns into a song with me. I can't help it. Ooh, ooh. Take off this one. I did put a little powder right here in the corner. I used my the contour and sculpt color from my contour palette. These 2 colors, a mixture of those, very lightly. I just use that to blend the lace really quick. And I think we are finished. I feel like this one could be a little bit more swooped. I'm trying to leave it alone though. Let me stop messing with it. Okay, I'm gonna stop right now in a second. Because this is not a kinky curly, I would say it's in between their jerry curly and their kinky. That's kind of what this is giving me. Because it's not like a bunch of texture, I want the hair to sit a certain, you know, a certain way. So I'm using a little bit of my hairspray, not a lot, just to kind of hold it back. Like that. Just up off my face. See how it did that? Yeah, that's what I want, okay? Use your products. I'm trying to get it in my face. I always end up spraying myself in the eye. I don't know how. As I wear this wig out, because I will be, the hair will get fuller and fuller, but it's not gonna be as big as I probably like my curly wigs to be, just because of the texture. Scrunch it up again, and now we are done. You still here? Do y'all see this hair? What's wrong with you, huh? Why you wanna embarrass me and not act right all of a sudden? Now they sent me the 20-inch. With the coupon code, my wig is about $145. However, I cut mine up to about 18. So I'm not mad at either one. But y'all see the wig in the hairline, okay? I didn't blend this over here because my hair is down. So act like you don't see it, okay? But y'all see this. Okay, you see that? Klaiyi. If you were going for the wig of the summer, you should have just said that. You only had to show me once. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Woo, she is pretty. I have no complaints about this wig whatsoever. When I say none, I mean zilch, zero, zip, nada. If you do what I do, wash, define, diffuse, and fluff, your wig will be similar to this. Okay, I'm not gonna say it'd be just like mine because it depends on, you know, your wrist action, how long you wanna diffuse and fluff, all that. Take all that into consideration. The curls should pretty much look like mine because the wig will give you this if you put that work in. This wig is gonna be sick of me, I swear, because yeah, I'm gonna wear her out, and probably won't wash it again for another year. You know how I do. Stale curls everywhere. I don't care. The more she fluffs out, she's gonna look even better. I just came from outside, y'all, and I changed my glasses to these ones, and I pinned back the hair right here in the front to give me a little bit more lift. See how you can see a little bit of the hairline? I wanna see a little bit more. So I'm just gonna pull it back like this and then bobby pin it down. And then to cover that bobby pin, I'm just gonna bring a little bit of hair right there to do that. Y'all see that? Okay, it gives me a little bit more lift around my face. You can see my earrings, which I feel like is important when you wear a curly wig. For me, I feel like I don't look right when all the hair is just surrounding my face. I need my earrings to be showing. But y'all see the looks. This is 2 hours of wear right here, so I'm frizzing back up. But that's okay, because the more I rock her, I know I'm gonna love her that much more. And I know my man gonna love it too. Ken, he has had his claws in that debit card the last couple weeks, but I know. I know with one look of this, thank you. That's all I gotta do is put on a curly wig. A big curly wig like this, not only do I get the card, but that man can't keep his hands off me. Hey. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Klaiyi here for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys wanna check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.